Thank you everybody for taking the time out to be here and attending this seminar. I'm Nikita Shahu and I was a student at Podar World College in the graduating batch of 2019. Today I will share my experience as a student at Podar and also what I have been doing since I graduated. So just to give you a brief summary of my education, I did my IGCSEs from Rustomjee Cambridge International School. I did my A-levels from Podar International School, and I pursued my BSc in economics from Podar World College. And last year in 2020 July, I graduated with the MSc in economics from London School of Economics and Political Science. And obviously there is so much flexibility of choice, because even after your bachelor's, if you do not choose to continue being in an economic field, you can switch over to law, business, finance, anything at all. But you will carry that knowledge from your bachelor's and it will not go to waste. So just to quickly touch upon how studying at Podar benefited me, when I chose to do economics after 10th grade, after IGCSEs, I knew I wanted to go to LSE. So the EMFSS program at Podar World College was a natural next step for me. It was definitely very easy to apply for colleges abroad, because the University of London International Programs degree is recognized by application portals, for admission portals. And for me personally, I was exempted from giving the GRE for my LSE application, but this was from the degree I applied. I cannot speak for other degrees, but this is definitely something worth checking into when your chance comes to apply for master's or further education abroad. And the most important thing to me was that the curriculum taught on campus at LSE was comprehensive and was definitely did not put us at a disadvantage from students who studied at LSE itself. We were at par once we graduated with a degree in our hand. So just to quickly touch upon my subject selection, the first 2 year subjects are pretty standard, and this is a pretty standard basket for anybody who does, I think, economics and BS in economics and economics finance. But the third year is when I chose to take development economics and mathematical economics. So how I supplemented my education. I think as an undergraduate student, it is very important to be a multifaceted person. And it's a very good time to explore your interests and try everything that could possibly interest you without being penalized for it. So it will help you understand what skills are required in the market itself, what skills you have, so you can take stock of your skills and see where improvement is needed the most. And this will help you reconcile and prepare for the market, for the job market, or the education, for the education. So for my co-curricular activities, my first internship was in 2017. I was a research assistant for Professor Sion Bhanot from Swarthmore University. And my second internship was in 2018. This was at Center for Monitoring the Indian Economy, which is CMI. Volunteering and student body activities are also considered for young graduates as experience when you apply for a job or when you apply for further studies, because this shows that you know how to manage time outside of just education and formal studying. All your experience can show that you have leadership qualities or you have proactivity and you know how to work in a team. And the point of me telling you all of this is the fact that you need to be an active learner during your degree. So I am currently working as an economics affairs intern at United Nations ESCAP in the Trade Investment Innovation Department. My duty station is Bangkok, but I'm working from home right now. And I'm also running my own organization called Screen to School, which we are focused on researching and closing the digital divide in India. So as for concluding remarks, apart from everything I have said, this is the best time to make connections, expand your network, and make good friends. I know it's very hard to do so when your first year is online, but you need to put more effort to do that. Be very intentional about how you spend your 3 years. And I guess that would be good, because I went to LSE with 7 of my Podar classmates. And even at my master's, I made very lifelong friends. Thank you so much. All the best.